Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. If you like what you see here, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me and help me grow. All right, today we are making a healthy version of orange cake. All right, let's check out our ingredients. First up, we need to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you need to grab your wet ingredients and place them into a bowl. But first, we need to add the butter and cream that up a bit. So go ahead and add your butter into your bowl, cream it. And then once that is nice and fluffy, we're going to add in our eggs. So go ahead and crack those in there. Now whip together the eggs and the butter so it nicely combines. And then add in your vanilla and just half a cup of that orange juice. All right, now it's time to add in our dry ingredients. So first up, we're going to add in our baking soda, baking powder, and our salt straight into the mix and mix that up. Now we're going to take our sweetener and also add that in and mix it all up. And last but not least, we are going to add our almond flour, but make sure you do it at a half a cup of time, not all at once, because it will clump up and you don't want that. Okay, now that that's done, we are going to be adding in the rest of our orange juice, but make sure you do it slowly. Now, once that's all mixed together, you're going to fold in your zucchini and your orange zest. Okay, so we have our batter, it's all done. Now it's time to put it in the oven for about an hour. Make sure you check it halfway though, because every oven is different. All right, let's go ahead and put it into our tin. And done! We have our beautiful orange cake. I can smell it from here, so nice. Now the top is a little bit brown, which happens every single time I make it. So if this happens to you, don't worry about it. Just make sure you do your toothpick check to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Now to top this off, you can use my cream cheese buttercream icing recipe. I will link the video down in the description so you can try that out as well, or you can just have it plain. either one. If you do use the icing though, or the frosting, you can take a 1/4 cup of orange juice and add that in for a bit of an orangey flavor as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.